I had originally made this GeoGebra as a kind of review activity. I had intended to tell my students, watch the pink point P as it moves across the screen, and I was going to say to them, see if you can guess what kind of a function this point is following. And then after getting enough of their guesses and getting them to discuss and justify, what have you, I was going to then turn the trace on so that they could then see what kind of function it actually formed. But what I decided to do today was to use this to not only review, but to introduce the idea of the locus. We did go through that procedure. I showed them the point moving across the screen, asked them to tell me what function it was. But before turning on the trace button, I then said, now I'll show you P's locus. Even though we hadn't yet defined the word locus, they could see that it was a path left by a point. And each of these points leaves its own locus because they're each following their own rule as they move around.